Hi, this is Matthew from Apple Certified Mac Specialist YouTube channel. Today we just want to talk about, or we're going to talk about a clean desktop. But for the moment, I just want to show you again the specs of this machine, and just to give you a rough idea of what I do and how much space I utilize, and also the RAM and the rest of the things that we're going to be looking at as well. But basically, again, storage memory, I've got 32 gigs of memory. You can see the external hard drives, I have 11. But again, you don't have to go so excessive. Again, it's purely just for backup. Again, today I mentioned we're going to talk about clean desktop. And what that is basically, if I say manage your system correctly and backup. First of all, do not, under no circumstances, leave files, folders, items on your desktop. Back in late 80s, there was an error on Mac called end of file error. So I learned then, and still do now, take all my documents, work in progress for argument's sake, and put it into my home folder. I create a home folder. Well, I open up my home folder and I create a work in progress folder there. In this particular case, this work in progress folder, I've called it CodLogix work in progress. And only the work that I'm currently working on is inside of this particular folder. Again, I can put folders, subfolders, and more subfolders and files and whatever inside of this particular home folder, not on the desktop, because again, we found that over a month, over a period of 6, maybe a week, or even less, that when you're trying to open the file, there was an end of file error. So what we learned to do then is to basically manage our system correctly, and that's what Mac loves. Here you can see I've created a shortcut by just clicking and dragging it and putting it into my menu bar, so that I've got quick access to it. Again, the best thing to do is to do that so that you can always access it. I have nothing left on my desktop so that I know exactly where things are. If I need to find things, if I need to place things, need to save things, need to look for things, it's all there. It's not on my desktop. It's not laying on my desktop. Yes, I have, for example, my iCloud desktop folder. And inside there, I have my keynotes and pages and numbers and a couple of few things that I'd like to keep and store. But the balance of it, I always keep on external hard drives. I back up onto that. I have it on my time machine. And of course, the balance of my machine, I have as much as space as possible that I can spare on this particular hard drive. And again, it's SSD. It is a 1 terabyte. But again, I put everything onto the external hard drives. Here again, opening up the Acrobat file. I do find that, of course, if it's correct and placed correctly, then it'll be easy to access. If you add anything to it, take away something from it, it'll remember where the particular file and folder is. It won't be moved and added around. So yes, just giving you, if I say, an overall background of opening up Acrobat, Bridge, Photoshop, Illustrator, you can see that it's quickly accessible and it's quickly manageable. So once again, I always keep my files and folders inside of a home folder, and in that home folder I place all my documents. So again, here you can see it's easy to access. If I had to say anything in the sense of my, as you can see again there, my multiple desktops or my mission control, I have multiple mission control desktops open for the simple reason, as you can see, if I'm opening up Illustrator, InDesign, Bridge, my emails, and all of the rest of my applications, I can do at least 17 different things simultaneously by moving in Command Tab and accessing each and every desktop through my Command Tab. So it's brilliant, it's fantastic. Here again, Command Tab, and you can put it into a new desktop or drag it directly into there. So that's fantastic. I really love the way that it plays out. Instead of having everything simultaneous all on one particular desktop and trying to open one, put one beyond the other, and then opening and trying to do and so forth and so on. Yeah, you can go Command Tab, go to your particular file or folder or to the desktop, and then you can access it. Here again, you see clean. I'm going to be doing something else. I'm going to be opening up, for example, Acrobat file. So I don't have to have it on the other desktops. I can have it directly here. So this is a much better way of working and making and managing your particular items. I do also prefer Bridge. Bridge is a lovely application to work with when you are looking to find your particular documents as well. It's called the Information Center. It will tell you what's on your desktop, and it of course gives you a lot more information. For example, your metadata, how big the file is, how many colors there were, what type of file it is, if it's a PDF file, Acrobat, PSD file, or Photoshop file, it automatically on the left-hand side will tell you what it is. If you open up an InDesign file, you can automatically see, yes, how many fonts you've utilized, what those fonts are, which is again fantastic. I really like Bridge as a working platform from Adobe. Again, all the Adobe products, I've been using that for over 20, 30 years now. And again, Adobe product is fantastic, has really grown in leaps and bounds over the years. So again, I would suggest that you do not put any items, elements, files, folders on your desktop for that specific reason. Rather, manage your documents effectively and efficiently by placing it inside of your home folder and creating a work folder. So again, it is the best way to do it that I have found in all the years. I've never had issues or problems with my particular system. So this way, you know that things are working effectively and efficiently each and every time because you can access it quickly enough. Again, there you see all the metadata. You can see what it holds inside of Bridge. Fantastic little application. I don't know why people don't use it. A lot of people don't, but I find that it has a lot of benefits when you're working with particular documents. So look, I do hope that you have enjoyed and seen everything I've been doing, and why not to keep items on the desktop. But if there's anything you haven't learned or would like to know, please don't hesitate to drop me a line, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I hope to see you in the next episode.